Just a quick note before we dive in. This is educational content only. Liberty Trading Club is not a financial advisor. Everything you see here is for learning purposes only. Remember, trading involves risk, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. So always do your own research and trade wisely.
All right, we're going to start the server go to directions again up here. There we go. Start that over again up there. Yeah, stretch. I think I think there's a high likelihood that it's going to happen. All right. Well, do nice. Just let me know if you guys get a weird phone call. It's a new system we're testing. It shouldn't be calling you guys. It should be calling outside people that are outside of the club. But oh well. So I did some mathing. Does anybody want to know some mathing? Some mathing I did on this MNQ two direction trade. I did three different scenarios. So I did scenario ones where we just waited for our levels, which I need to update that, where we waited for price to exceed or meet. Here, let me do it on the NQ since I got all these orders on the screen. Um, if we wait for levels like level to level, you have a 1 in 5 loss. So out of every 5 trades, you'll hit your $500 loss before you can take a $250 profit. I like those odds. Obviously, we want to hold it for a little bit longer. And if we, so basically the number came down to about out of every 5, you should hit your loss out of every 5 trades, assuming a 1-to-1 or a 1-to-2, meaning risking 500, taking 250, you go up. Sorry, I'm looking at the wrong thing here. It was at $200, you get about 9 out of 10 win. At 500 to 500, you got a 1 in 5. So I'll go for the 500 to 500 almost every single time. Now that's assuming that you just shut it off at 500. Obviously, I don't think I will, but I think that's interesting because obviously I don't like taking losses, but they happen. And had I stayed in this one this morning, obviously that would have been a winner. That's why I wanted to go back and start looking at the that scenario. I want to go back and start looking at that scenario. I mean, it's already up, going to be up another $60 on this other account. So we got one account today with 320 something. It would have hit its 500 if I didn't shut it off because that crazy glitch in the matrix. And then I had one at the one that I just cut down at $428, and one with $500 loss, and this one probably end up with a $500 win. So that would be today 4 accounts, only one with a loser. So if you go back, all I did was go back on replay and let it run over and over and over. And about 1 in 5, take the $500 loss. If we stick to $500 loss per an account per day, and again, assuming you switch accounts at the $500 win. I ran pure down days like yesterday, pure up days like last week, and a range bound day like today. So the 3 major scenarios that we were looking at. And that's not even a bias either. That's no bias. Just waiting for the levels. So yeah, that's so like I said, starting Monday, I'm gonna start on a new eval and do that. and it's going to be the one untainted account that just says you either make your money or you hit $500 stop for the day and just put it aside and go move on to the next day for it. I won't do anything else with that account but that, just to prove to you guys that the process works and show everybody that I'm just doing it with you. Oh, whatever. Just leave it like this. We can see the NQ over here. So no, I'm all on board with that. And again, I think the key that's going to give us the advantage is our levels, doing our levels the right way. Oh, I guess I'm streaming. I should be on camera again. Close my. Pull my hat up so you guys see my eyeballs. Eyeballs. Whoa. Okay. Oh wait, I know I didn't have my camera on. I'm still eating lunch. Who's this Barney Rubble guy here? So I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. Get my second target. Get us a decent little kick out of the gate this afternoon. I'm just waiting on a pullback for the ES people. That's all I'm gonna do. Get a pullback, buy it. If it doesn't give it to me, I might try a bull flag up here, because if it breaks out, it stretches long from 63 probably, or no, he's in at 64. Let me guess. Hold on, stretch. Don't say it. Don't say it. Let me guess. Oh, you're flat. Oh man, I usually nail his trades. Dang, I'm usually spot on though, aren't I? Oh, branching it, branching it. I looked at some places where you're at, Stretch. Not trying to like creep on you or anything. It's a nice area. I like it. 63.75. All right. Kill that camera so I can finish my lunch. All right, finish that up, guys. Get myself back on cameras here. Yeah, I figured I'd have some fun in the afternoons and start changing my name around. Might be Happy Gilmore tomorrow. I don't know. It was $43, so now we're at $1,000 later over 3 accounts. Positive 500 for the day on this Tick Century stuff. That's not horrible, is it? I'm good with 2 directions up here too, because if you look back to yesterday on the NQ, not yesterday. Come on, I keep doing that. This is where the bigger range was. We're getting right into it, so I'm happy with that. Um, being the similar situation to yesterday. Happy with it. And another thing you always look at too is, especially when we revisited price and we're using Tick Century for this, um, use a 15-minute chart. Look, get back here. There's a lot of rangy stuff up here. Great. Let's go two ways on Tick Century. Pick up some money. So let's see if this guy can get down and get me another. Oh, come on down, get another contract. Let's go. Although, when do you guys? What name do you guys fire me on? Mark Zuckerberg? Stop making names up. Okay. No, I don't want that name. No, not Mark Zuckerberg. I'd take his money. Not his name. What? You're planning on robbing Mark Zuckerberg? No. I'm so happy for you, Megan. You made my day yesterday when you told me that. You made my day, lady. I don't know if you guys didn't hear this, but Megan got her first payout from a prop account. Just being proud of her. That's all I am. Bragging on her a little bit. Now make a habit of it, Megan. That's what you got to do. Make a habit of it. But I think you will. You're rotating through your accounts. Get a loss on one account, go to another one. That's going to keep you in the game long term, dear. That's going to keep you in the game big time. Yeah, I didn't know if you heard that, D Nice, but that's awesome on her part. All right, I'm set up to be ready to take action on this. You know what I could do? Actually, I'm going to do it now that I have long bias. 4 contracts, 12 ticks. I'm going to get in that long because I would love for it to come back here and give me a long signal anyway. Go ahead and do that. And if it starts to take off on me, I'll just pull this target away. Actually, I'll just do that now. Boom. Using Tick Century around the board today. Yeah, I mean, but again, if you take a loss on an account, switch to another account today. I mean, here's the deal. You see me taking losses, you're probably going to take losses too. Buy stop at 60. No, because that'd be a limit order at 63. I would just wait for it to come down and give you a nice little. Let's do my Let's do my drawings. Drawings. Let it come down and give you a. This is going to be probably funky when it comes down here, so you're probably going to get something that comes down here and looks a little bit like this. What we call a wonky W. This is where you probably just wait for like some kind of engulfing bar or a momentum bar, something like that. Some kind of engulfing bar or something that comes out of there. So, the markets woke up. What? There you go. See if we get it pushed back up now. What they do, just try to pull the wool out from everybody. I was afraid that they would be sucker people into the longs. What this price action jumping around like this is not fun for me today. I don't like this at all. That was the exact drawing I made too. Literally the exact drawing I made. I don't like this. I gotta get out of that. I'm gonna stick with my MNQ here. That's crazy. It's just silly. There is long, but I don't like this price action. This ATR just got too high. That's I'm comfortable in the MNQ because it should bounce back up and take some targets and give some profits. But that's guys, this is they're screwing with retail is what they're doing. I don't get it. I mean, these orders are jumping in out of nowhere. I did the long on the ES here, but I don't like. I'll sit on my negative right here, and I mean it'll probably still work out on the long side because this is exactly what it's supposed to do. But look how fast these bars are forming. That's ridiculous. It would make me money. I mean that's if it wasn't doing this, I'd still be in long. It's too heavy on the big contracts. Way too heavy on the big contracts. The micro, I'm comfortable with the micro here. But did all right? Let me ask you guys the same thing as this morning. Did that happen to you guys as well on your end? The jump out of nowhere? Did that happen on your end, guys? God, yeah, that's crazy. That is absolutely insane. I'm gonna use a different account, but that's insane. Insane in the membrane. Yeah, it's silly. It's just absolutely silly. Get a little bit back there. Get a little bit back there. Get a little bit back. Or maybe I'll get all of it back. Well, I mean, is there any news out there that's causing this? Let me get this last contract off. I'm going to turn off this and go to a long bias. If it stays above these highs that were just made. How many contracts? Did anybody see how many contracts was flooded in just did? At least doubled. Had to at least double. I'm just curious. Second time that's happened today, out of the blue. I'm I'm just wondering, it's if it happens one time, I'm like, okay, I'll go fired out of the blue for no reason. Um, Second time, I'm more on the fence of there is some serious contract stuff being shuffled around, and that's a lot. That's a lot of contracts. A lot of contracts. Trip, yeah, it didn't just double it 10,000 times. Wow, out of nowhere too. That's the silly thing about it. It's AI. It's taking over. It's AI. It's taking over. Now we go with the long bias. 192. Wait, hold on a second. Um, do we keep? Did you guys follow me on that M and Q? And we'll have this loss back in no time. I'm gonna do 68.75 on the stop on the ES. It should probably brought me back right there. Should be back probably. 500. I need another $150 on the ES to be back to even on that. If it breaks this swing high here, we're going for a ride, baby. 82, next stop on the train. Choo choo. You could probably look at a stop of 70. 70. I'm going to go a couple more ticks up since it's starting to run on me. So we're going to use 70. 70 is what I'm going to use. There we go. 70. Eat back. All right. Oh, got to do levels here. And then we got another bigger level. Another bigger level around around what is going on with these burst of orders? That's really I've been kind of puzzled here. I mean, how often do you guys see that happening? Oh, you got 6. Are you on the ES? And then it just calms down right after that. That's crazy. It's like, oh, they now they have a new 1308 algo that goes off at 1308 and at what time was it this morning on the NQ? That was nifty though. That good one after that. So we had the one full loss, one $500 loss on the Tick Century, one 428, one at 192. I was waiting for this to get back down here, and then I'm gonna go with that again. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that on the long side. That's crazy. That is crazy. I'm trying to think through what that could be. Yeah, yeah, I'm looking at it too. Double top. Could be. If it pushes, now this scares me again too. Here, look, it just paused. Is it frozen? Is my Ninja frozen now? MQ's running. NQ's running. Oh no! Are you kidding me? All right, I gotta close this. That is not cool. Positions. Close. Close. Oh no. Mm-mm. All right, gotta go to ninjatrader.com. Ninja Trader. Close my position. Ninja Trader. Here it is. All right, there we go. Ooh. Oh. Positions. Yeah, at least I'm flat. I'll figure out why that quit all of a sudden. Well, the good news is 300 plus 140, or 320 plus 140 plus 428. Yeah, close to 1,000. It's not horrible. And then negative 500. So that's a good day. Guys, who would be mad at that? Mad at that on a day like today? What is going on here? Anybody? Would anybody be mad at that on a day like today? I wouldn't be. I mean, I don't. Yeah, take that all day long. Take that all day. All right. I'm gonna have to call Hugo. Hugo, help me, Hugo. Is it because I'm copywriting Barney Rubble on the internet and the AI internets are coming after me? You can't say you're Barney Rubble. It's a good day, Tater. Yeah, I don't think it's bad. 140 something, 320, and 420. Oh no, never mind. Yeah, switch that. The 320 and 428, 320 something, and 140, and then negative 500. That's 4 accounts. 3 of them all positive. And I have a sneaking suspicion that tomorrow, that one that's negative will be end up positive. Do it, Justin. Then start following my Tick Century M&Q trades, man. And then keep doing what you're doing because you're doing pretty well. Just add a little juice to it. Did you get into your house? Are you in yet? Nice. Good deal. All right. Please work properly. Please. Oh, yeah. I would, but you're just gonna drive out and get it? I'm not liking this. It's not even showing anything now. You think they're after me because I'm too good of a trader? That's probably it, right? This guy can't start getting prop accounts getting paid on it. He's gonna take too much of our money. We're gonna screw his machine up. I'm not drawing anything. I'm just talking, trying to get my stuff to work right, and trying to figure out why. This is so odd. Even when you're not connected, it shows your sim accounts. What is going on here? Okay, I'm not trading the rest of the afternoon. If you go look at my machine. It would have taken my stop anyway. The ES would have taken my stop. I'm gonna leave it on my personal data feed. I'm not gonna use the Bullnox right now. And I really, really don't like those order blocks coming out of nowhere. Massive number of orders coming out of nowhere. That's scary, people. That doesn't bother anybody else here? That bothers me. Does it not bother you guys? Oh, nice, Justin. Love it, buddy. Wait, where are you again? I forget. Oh yeah. Okay. Cool. That's awesome. You're gonna be a lumberjack. I don't know how you did it with the RV and the kids and animals. That would have driven me crazy, man. Waiting for that. I can safely say I'm not trading this. I want to run the. I mean, if you have the nerve to do it, you still do 2 directions on the M&Q. If you have the nerve to do it, I still have 63 here stretch. I don't have the nerve to touch anything right now. Where's dog? Dog, where you at, dog? Watch, here comes the dog. Dog, come here, dog. What are you doing? She's got a new little friend. Isn't that right, big girl? You're not afraid of the camera today? Is that what it is? Isn't she the best? Yeah, 63 stretch I think is the better number. I'm not trading. I'm not gonna touch it. I got issues with the platform and see you, girl. Issues with the platform. Joker's to the left of me, or Joker's to the right. Stuck in the middle here with you. Not doing it. But again, if you got the nerve, go ahead and put the long and short on. And it hit it. You know, weird thing about that was the earlier one was just the NQ, and this afternoon it was both the ES and I want to have to look at the YM. Did the YM do the same thing? 6. No. The volume spiked on it, but nothing like the ES and the NQ. That's crazy. There's your long. I'm sure stretch you get that long. The NQ is kind of like 63 on the ES. I was looking at what was it, right around 195. Let's see here. Crazy 88 right here. 204. Sorry about that. Oh, look at the MQ. If I get comfortable again, I'll turn this back on. I don't have any other accounts that are running on. Should I go for I can't touch the one that's down 500. I can hit the one that's got 300 positive. I'm leaving the 421 alone. Which one? The one that's up 140 or the one that's up 320? Leave it on this one. Yeah, let's leave it on this one. All right, good trade stretch. Man, you got more brass than I do, buddy. After seeing that 2 times in one day, it's still getting me. That's still crazy to me. Just absolutely crazy. All right, what level were we at earlier? Did it? What time was that? We had that. Look at the NQ here. You're probably going to get the run up now. Get a higher low. Maybe. Let's see what time that happened on the NQ. Does anybody remember what time that was this morning? It was, oh, here it is. It was at 10:24. So let's see what level the ES was at 10:24. Didn't have it on the ES. It had normal volume on that bar. And volume jumped a little bit per bar. Not that much though. Just pushed in with a ton of orders. All right, that's probably a good sign the longs haven't. Sip of my afternoon. I'm trying to talk myself into doing this on this account and maybe get a little bit more juice on it. Let me look back one more time. Let's go back to our 15-minute. Nope. Nope. Never mind. Sitting on the sidelines. Keep my profits, right, guys? What say you, Joe? What say you, Joe? Keep your profits on it? Did you guys do the, when I was leaving the, let's see what Joe says. I'm going to start asking Joe his opinion. That'll help. That should work, though. That'll help you, Joe. Get a little dialogue going with you. Oh, nice, Joe. On MEQ? Yeah. Well, that's just the only reason I wasn't is because I switched accounts, and then that volume spike scared me out of it. Oh, and then I had the platform issues, so that scared me out of it a little bit. Nice, Joe. So when we left the main session this morning, did anybody other than D-Nice keep running the two directions on the M&Q? I'd still be running it if I didn't have those issues. I would still be doing it. A little triple top trying to form up here on the ES. Let's see if that breaks through. Got a little descending triple top on the NQ. Almost like a little wedge wanting to form. There's a little trend line too. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we get a little wedge to form. If it breaks out, I will look long if it breaks out. That's awesome, Joe. Good job, man. Is D-Nice the only one that stayed in the two directions? All right, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the safe thing. I'm gonna switch to this SSM and I'm gonna run it. Genius. Keep the profits in these accounts. Get in long, come on, let's do it. One more thing, click, and we're good. Okay, there we go. I just broke these highs. I think you're off to the races. I'm assuming Stretcher's still in. And I'm going to switch accounts over here and look for for a pullback for the long on the ES. You know what? I'm just gonna put it on. I'll just do this. Switch this guy up. Now I kind of want to keep a core long on the MNQ here, guys. You probably want to look at doing that, D-Nice, switching to that long bias and keeping a core long position right now for the rest of the afternoon. That is what I shall do here. Get this done real quick before it takes my target. A core long position. And then turn this puppy back on. And get ourselves long again. Get myself two. I got a $500 risk in it, so should be pretty good to go there. Finish switching this over. All right. And find me a place to get along on the ES, and we'll be all happy. Stay long, guys. This is going all the way up. Where are we going on the ES? To the moon, Alice. To the moon. The moon. The Germans are coming. Back up to where we came from yesterday. Stretch, you were right. 82. If we can get above 82, we got a shot at all-time back here, prior all-time highs. That's where we're going on the ES at least. Let's look at the NQ. On the NQ, I'm gonna do this one more time, guys. Get another position in there and just keep juicing that one up. Keep on juicing it up. What? Your trades are taking steroids? Yeah, I mean this should move now, guys. We should have a lot of free air in front of us on the upside. That's how I should advertise. Our trades are on steroids. Oh, maybe we get a pullback that we can buy. There was your level. It hit 82 exactly. Stretch. 81.75. 82 exactly. There you go. Do you target out there? I'm assuming you target out, maybe. Yep. Good trade, dude. Really good trade. It was runner. Way to go, buddy. I'll save some trades for us, Stretch. little didn't quite give me any time to get in on that, did it? All right. What theories do you guys have on those spikes in volume today? Spikes in order blocks? Is nobody else thinking about this like me? Like, these are things I think about in the market. What caused that? Why? Seemingly out of the blue. Twice in one day too. The first one was extremely scary. Does anybody have thoughts on it? What do you think? Stretch? Joe, that's actually not a bad thought, to be honest with you. There's no news for them to use to manipulate the markets. So they just make up their own stuff. Or is it? I just had a picture. I just envisioned some robot machine that's running running the trade desk, really upset because there's no news for it to manipulate the market, sitting at a desk. And so it got really angry. I don't know how to draw, like, got really angry and grew some devil horns. Those look like bunny ears. Anyway, and started messing with the market. That's what it did. Funny little image in my head came up. Silly goose. Let's see, who else might have an idea on this one? Who do we got in here? Stretch, what do you think? Justin, any thoughts from you? Gotta go. Petted 2 accounts. Well, thank you for the work. Nice, Justin. Great job, buddy. Good job. Nobody? Anybody chime in? See what their thought process is on that? If you're looking at some different charts, there's the M from stretches 82. Let's see if this holds. If this M fails to make, which it probably won't, it's probably going to at least go down to maybe 70, 75, 76. I'd like to see a long come out of the NQ from back here at even 248 to 240, 250 to 240. You'd like to see a long come from there on the NQ. Still doing this back thing. Forgot I had my Hank Williams Jr. shirt on. Went to that concert last year. Figured probably wouldn't get a chance to see a guy like that. Hey, there we go, more money. What do you think, Stretch? Take a buy stop bull flag entry. Go for that. Would you do it if you were in your position? Big green, or you just wait for the pullback? He's not listening to me. You guys can hear me, right? You're just not responding. I gotta tell you what. When we do get those, Justin, good job. Okay, is Joe the only person that can hear me? It's got to be more people. It's got to be. Oh yeah, you're just not responding. Why don't you get on the mic with me, D-Nice? Give me somebody to talk to.
Yabba dabba doo.
You shot it or something?
No, I don't know. I just thought give other people a chance to talk.
Oh goodness gracious, they're all afraid to get on the mic. You and I, at least. I like it.
I misunderstood when you said core position long. So I shut down
In profits, right?
Yeah, no, totally. I shut down my tick centering. I'm just one contract long right now.
Okay, turn it back on and keep scaling into the longs. So you did do when I set it up when we were going into break this morning. You did.
No, I didn't do that. I wasn't even in the room when you guys did that.
So nobody did that for real? you were planning that.
Wait, you mean when you lost the trade?
No, so I lost this morning, and then I made what was it, 320 something on that crazy glitch in Matrix, and I got scared, turned it back on. I turned it back, turned it off, switched accounts, turned it back on, got 190 on the 190, and it came back to 140.
Yeah,
But
I
then,
mean, oh,
but
go
then
ahead.
I turned it on to go two directions, which you guys heard me say that, right? You did hear me. You weren't there, but did you guys hear me say go two directions when we're closing down the
I
morning
didn't
session?
hear you say that, but I did it anyway,
Oh,
um,
good.
after you did.
Okay.
So
Yeah, that
I'm up like 400 or something right now on Tick Century.
good. Good deal.
No,
Good.
it worked really well the two ways.
Oh yeah. Well, that's what I don't know if you were in here. I did a little mathing on it for the MQ, and um, based on our levels, you should be at about a one out of every five times running it. You should probability says you probably lose to go down to 500 and it shuts off. So I like that. I like that track record. If we're doing $400 and $500 every win and have a $500 loss, that's called making moolah.
Yep.
And so far, that's it. I mean, 3 out of 4 accounts green. That's not bad. I'll take it. It's better than kicking the shin.
No, for sure. Listen, that's the way it's done, really. I mean,
That is the way it's done.
every book you read, everything, it's
You read books?
people. I know, I know. I don't
I don't.
seem like I know how to do that, but I do.
I'm
No, you
just-
know what I do, Uncle B?
what?
I have Trading in the Zone on
Love it.
Spotify in my car on a constant loop.
Oh, that's awesome.
I swear to you, like you got to listen to the whole thing, but chapter 11, play it over and over and over again.
Yes. Yes. Oh yeah.
Once you hear the whole thing leading up to chapter 11. Chapter 11, that's where the goodies are.
The goodies, not the Goonies, the goodies.
Yeah, and just I don't know, there's something about listening to it. I mean, reading it's great too, but
Well, listen to it over and over. It's like you're doing it's like a self-help book for traders.
yeah, it is. It is because truly it deals mostly with the psychology of the whole thing more than, high probability trading is more about the technical aspect.
Mm-hmm.
But Trading in the Zone is it's such a great book.
It is a good book, really good book. If you haven't read it, people read it. Read it the first 2 or 3 times, then start listening to it. I've done both. I think I've probably listened to it like, gosh, it's been years since the last time I listened to it. Probably about 4 years ago was the last time I listened to it. And the first time I read it was probably about 7 years ago. You know what's really funny about that is I started when I first started reading it was probably about 7 years ago, and about 6 years ago is when I really started getting the trading thing down. That's an interesting correlation, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
About that. Think about that, people.
And there you have it.
I love the Goonies too. So how many people here haven't read Trading in the Zone? Let's quiz them, D-Nice. If you haven't read it, this is a great homework assignment for you, Megan. This is a little icing on the cake that you can get. Joe, I especially recommend that. Tom, you got to read it. At least listen to it, Tom. That's a big one. Trading in Zone's huge. Huge. So let's make up some scenarios for these block order volume spikes. D-Nice. What are we? The Russians, the Germans, Chinese.
I don't know if it's that interesting. I think it's just markets. I think it didn't Justin say something about markets just wanting to manipulate. There's no news, so they just needed to do something.
Joe said it, but that's a lot of orders that jump in out of nowhere, and that does happen from time to time. But it's not that often. I mean, I stare at charts all day long, and I don't see that very often at all. It does happen. I mean, those are like news spikes. That's really what it looks like. Some algo's got a bunch of pent up orders. I don't know. Um, yeah, Megan, definitely read it. Tom, definitely read it, buddy. Or at least listen to it. What's that one? Dry Cap, have you read Trading in the Zone or listened to it? It's a good one. Michael, you too.
I honestly never read it. I don't think I ever read that one. I just
You listened to it?
started listening to it and over again. And I think you can get just as much out of it by listening.
Oh yeah. I mean, it's all, again, it's a self-help book for traders, so it's
Yeah.
all-
So it's not like they're not graphs and things you have to look at.
You guys, yeah, everybody get it on. Everybody get it. You can get it on Spot. Was it free on Spotify?
Yeah, it's free. Yeah.
There you go.
I mean, if you have a Spotify account, but I don't think that's free.
Spotify. I don't know. I don't use Spotify.
I love Spotify.
I've been paying for YouTube Music for so long that I just never made the switch over. That everybody's using Spotify, and I just don't use. If you don't know me, D Nice, I am hard to change things. I don't change very easily, or not. It takes me a while to make changes. A while.
Yeah.
But when you have stuff that works, so my dad said, if it ain't broke, don't fix it.
That's right.
If it ain't broke, don't fix it.
My dad used to say that too, along with a lot of other really goofy things.
All right, let's get people going on this tick century. Who needs help with tick century while we're waiting for a long signal? I think I'm gonna have to do. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. I think I'm gonna take a. Let me think about this a little bit longer. I might take a shot on this as a bull flag. All of us, okay. All right. Well, I don't think all of you. There's some people who are set up, Tom. But so, Tom, promise me you're gonna listen to the book. Megan, Joe, you're gonna promise me that you guys are gonna listen to it, please. Hugely helpful.
Although Megan already got a payout, so I kind of thinking maybe she doesn't really need it.
I think everybody needs it.
Yeah, I know, I agree. I'm just saying, like, that was pretty quick. I'm impressed. Super
She's
impressed.
gotten it. That she's. I mean, just earlier, she knew nothing about trading. How what 6 months ago? She knew nothing about trading.
Yeah, I mean, it's the discipline aspect that I'm really impressed with because it took me forever.
4 months. Oh, never mind. 4 months ago, she knew nothing about. Didn't. Here, let me.
Wow.
I need to sell this in a presentation on Saturday. Oh my goodness! 4 months ago, knew nothing about trading, and got her first payout 4 months later. That is awesome.
It must just be a personality thing, like, because you obviously had great discipline from the jump.
Well, the Zimmermans are very disciplined in general.
I think it helps too, the two of them together, because you know, one starts to go rogue, the other one can go, hold your horses, hold
4
on.
months, Josh.
I'm so impressed. So impressed.
I did it, by the way. I did took a shot on the bull flag. I didn't want to tell anybody because I didn't want you guys jumping in with me.
On the ES? Yeah,
Yeah.
I did that too.
It's a bigger risk trade though. I only have one target off. Maybe I'll get another one.
Same. I'm in exact same position.
Oh, you did it too?
Yep, I did. I know.
Okay.
Hence why I didn't have a payout at 4 months.
This is why. Oh.
I'm
I think,
impressive though.
yeah. Well, you have a different personality too. And plus, Um, it's just people get it different, but I think you're right on the discipline part. She was extremely disciplined to follow the rules out of the gate. There we go, 2 targets off. Now stop it. I'm gonna use 80-25. Actually, I should say one tick behind that little indecision candle there. 80 even. I don't think I'd like it, but I really enjoy trading. You didn't think you'd like it? Yeah. You're right. Okay. Look at this little zigzag.
Yeah,
out
it's
here.
fun making money, right?
It is.
It's like, seriously? Sometimes I think, wait, this is a job? This is so crazy.
Say that again. Sorry.
I said, sometimes I think to myself, wait, this is actually a viable way of making money. This is crazy.
I used to, people, a lot of people. I need to leave. See everyone. All right, Stretch. Have a great day. See you tomorrow morning.
Bye, Stretch. Stretch.
See you, Stretch. How's the Legos coming? Did you get that Ferrari built yet? First time I traded micros, I was so giddy. It was so much fun. Look at you, Megan. Here's what I mark my words. And in another 4 months, she's going to be on the mic here, like acting like a seasoned trader.
Well, she did one day with me. It was like, whoa, this lady's not messing around. She knows what she's doing. I was impressed with that too. Just impressed all the way around.
Hashtag goals. There you go. I think you'll do it.
Goals. Yep.
I need to figure out a way to. Hey, Megan, can you send me your payout certificate? Can I use your story in my presentation Saturday? Seriously?
Are we gonna pass this zone here on the
Will you
ES?
email it to me, please? That's awesome. Thank you so much. I'm totally going to use that in my presentation. Appreciate it. And if you want to put like a little blurb with it that you didn't know anything. This is the date you started. This is the date of your first payout. That'd be awesome. I'd really appreciate that, Megan. Oh, I forgot to put this up here. I had 2 targets off. Assuming that this is going to start going up. I really should be tighter. Maybe here on the stop or that last wick down. 80-50. Then a guaranteed profits at 80-50 with 2 targets off. Thank you, Megan. So cool. Oh.
Oh boy, I didn't notice my this pullback.
Yep.
I was focused on the ES, and I'm like, should I just keep long on the?
I am. There's no I mean, again, you'd have to go all the way back below two 240 or even 235 to get worried about it. And still, I'm probably just going to hold on to it. I mean, everything on the market says it should be up at this point. But this is, again, where it sold from before. So you get a couple push downs, push ups, and then turn it off. Holy cow. Oh, where's Todd at too? Todd, by the way, is Todd in here this afternoon? No, Todd. He's killing it too. Is that another crazy little spike up? I'll give him one more target here, and I'll possibly take the money and think about this for a minute. Take profits, guys. If you followed me on the M&Q, Tick Century, take profits. Take profits. Don't be stubborn like me. Take profits right now. Got it? Got it? Get it? Got it good? So I'm still surprised that nobody in here actually took the Tick Century 2 directions after we closed the main session. Figured somebody would have. All right. $63. Yeah, I can't do this up here. I'm gonna let it go. Put a stop in here, and not what did I just do that? Sell stop. Sell stop. Get rid of it. Take it out. Well, we might just be dancing around at the top for a little bit. I would be tempted to go a smaller tick spacing here, not much smaller, maybe 35. And again, as we've seen up here, just let's do a 15-minute chart this time. See up here, you should see some pretty good bouncing up and down from what did I say earlier, 235 to 310, 230, that's 60. Two, 80 points. Yeah, you'll be safe going 2 directions with 35 tick space.
On M&Q?
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. One time here.
And how many orders do you do?
I'm gonna use 10 this time.
That's exactly where I have mine set. So you're gonna do both directions. Which way are you starting?
Neutral.
Neither.
Yeah.
Neutral. Okay.
It's got room on top and room on bottom to bounce up and down right now, so. That probably puts us back in some of the same range we were in earlier. Oh yeah, that's where I got all the profits from earlier. So that seems like a pretty safe play. If it does anything, if it doesn't do anything, we'll go into the rest of go into Friday without doing anything else.
I'll be right back.
Anybody else? Who else is here? Who else is here? All right, let me train you guys. Tom needs help on Tick Century. Let's do that. Who else needs help on it? Just Tom? Tom, are you around? You want to go through it now? What say ye? Okay. What's the first question you have? Can you jump on the mic and just talk through it with me? Or do you want to just type it out? So you can turn it on though, right? Let's start there. Is it plugged in?
Yeah, I can put it in and I can turn it on.
I was joking. Is it plugged in like the like the technical help person? My computer's not working. Is it plugged in? All right, so you got it on. So you go to the MES chart. You can do that, right? Or MNQ, forgive me.
Right.
Okay, you got that. So replicate. You've set your strategy settings to maximum risk of $500.
Let's see.
And leave your profit goal high, like, well, whatever keeps you in the consistency rule, right? So if you have to stay at like 1-to-1, 500, that's probably fine. I leave mine. I put mine at 1,000. So are you having issues with just keeping a core position? Is that what you're talking about?
No, it's just, I guess it's settings. You know, let's see here. Positions.
Hmm?
You know, it's not even the settings. It's more of the bias on which way to go.
Oh, well, I mean, follow my bias. That's usually going to be right. I mean, it was right this morning, but it just ran a little past where we wanted to be. So follow my bias. I mean, here's what I'd say, man. If you don't have a problem replicating whatever you see on my screen, right?
No, not at all.
Okay, just do that every time, and until you get comfortable with it. Just do what I do, and mimic it, like and do it in Sim for a little bit. But
Yeah.
I mean, that's especially for you, this is gonna be a way for you to get some easy wins, and without stressing too much about it.
Right.
So it's, I guess it's not the issue of using it; it's the issue of you're just not used to using it. Is probably a better way to say it, because you don't have.
Yeah, that makes more sense.
Well, all right. How do you create your bias? Let's look at it this way. How would you create right now? Your bias would be what on the NQ? Long or short? Look at the. It'd be long, right?
Well, yeah. Okay.
Money line's up. Trends are up. Trends are up now. So earlier this morning, do the bias the same way we do it. What would your bias be when the money line's going back? This is easy. Watch this. Here, for everybody. When the money line starts changing from one bias to neutral to another bias, what direction should you go on Tick Century with? This is why we have it. Somebody answer it. You don't see any of this stuff. Let's go all the way back here. Go all the way back to 10. Okay, this is all we see. Green, white, red. Money line starting to flatten out. What should our bias be, guys? Long, short, or neutral?
Short.
Anybody else? Somebody answer. Long, short, or neutral? We do it when the 89's flat, money line's flat, neutral. So we would go long or short or both directions with Tick Century. Tom, say both directions. So you go both directions, Tom. So we just
Okay.
follow this, guys. This is all we have to do. I mean, look, money line turns up, goes green, crosses this. Now we have a long bias, guys. We'll keep. Look, how about this? We're just going to do this every day. Every day, money line turns red, starts sloping down. We're going to take a short bias on the tick century. Scale into it. Okay. Money line turns up. We're going to take a long bias. Scale into it. Stay neutral. Money line turns neutral. We're going to go both directions. Leave that alone. Just leave it. That's why we look at this, guys. You keep seeing this change back and forth. Go neutral. Go both directions. There's an easy bias. How about that, Tom?
Okay.
So we'll go that way. Easy bias like that. Okay. Technically, you probably had a long up here. That's good. This is great. We'll just keep doing this. Go back to neutral here. And obviously, we're long now. And it's flattening out, so probably a little neutral. I don't like how small these bars are getting. But that's just the way it is. So yeah, let's just. Who wants to remind me in the morning to tell everybody, follow the money line. That's what it's called for a reason. Huh? Somebody remind me? Okay. Tom says Joe. Oh man, my back is still. I took some ibuprofen. It stretched on break, and still I'm getting just all bound up. Guess I have to wear my Georgia Hawaiian shirt Saturday and my other Georgia Hawaiian shirt tomorrow. I mean, Megan, send that email. Thank you, Joe. Thank you. Yeah, and just a little write up on Megan's journey. That'd be awesome. Just a little tiny one. I hope you gave that lady a big hug too, Joe. I'm sure you did. When she got her payout, I'm sure you did. Watch Willow bark, Amika. I know you are. I know you are. What do you guys do? You guys doing a hayride tomorrow or a pumpkin thing? Is that what it was? Instead of ibuprofen. I know. That's the only thing I had on hand, and I don't ever have like pain, so I don't ever keep anything on me for it. Wait, Monday you're going for the? I thought you were going tomorrow. I thought you guys had something fun to do tomorrow. Yay! We made $100. Yay! Yeah, awesome. Have fun with that. Or Saturday. It was Saturday, right? Saturday, not tomorrow. Saturday. Georgia Hawaiian shirt Friday and Saturday. Some of you guys gonna be Hawaiian parka Fridays. All right, think about this, guys. This is five different accounts, 4 green, 1 red. Is anybody a believer at this point? Nobody. Believers. Believer, like Justin Belieber. Justin Belieber. That's so silly. Be back in a sec, y'all. Me, I just have the guilty goalie to do it. But do it in a sim. Do it in sim, Joe. Do it in sim. Get used to it. Get comfortable with it. Look, here. Look, I'll train on it. Believe in one thing. What do we know work? Okay? This is what we know works. We know the money line works. Correct? Yes or no, guys? It is a very good depiction of direction. Extremely good. Look at how well it works on the NQ. If you just bought when it turns green and sold when it turns red, you can almost just do that every single time and make money. Turns green, you buy. Okay? You can almost do that every single time. So we know that works. What else do we know works that's on this chart? What are these things called? What are these things called? Zones? We know our zones work. Look. Tell me our zones don't work. Price gets to a zone. Trade it. Okay, here, this is fun stuff. You want the pullback. You want to actually go down, right? You want to draw down when you're using that. So technically, we should probably look at this. All right, green, white, red, white. What does that tell me right now? That did we make the right decision on being neutral? And the only thing I'm doing wrong here is because I want to have a long bias so I can stay net one position the whole time almost. That's it. So what does this tell us? We just talked about it a couple minutes ago, right? This is, guys, and if you're watching us on the interwebs, if you're on YouTube or Face page or Instagram or whatever it is we're streaming on these days, we have a simple thought process. We have look at this. This chart gives you everything you need. Here, I'm gonna get rid of these get rid of the PSAR. We don't really need that. Okay, all right, let's keep this. Look how simple this is. This chart has every single thing you need. We know we want to trade from our zones. We know what direction we want to trade when the money line's above our blue line and pointing up. We want to be trading long. When it's down and pointing down, we want to be trading short. Then you just wait for price to come back to your zone and trade it. Well, that's it. And maybe with some stochastics, we have a little stochastic here as a guide. So if we're using tick century, if you want to scale into it, you start scaling in longs here, comes down, takes some contracts, gives you some profits, comes down, takes some contracts, gives you some profits. You could be happy with that. And then all of a sudden you're starting to look and say, okay, well now this is, I have the long bias, but now this is starting to change back and forth. Let me go two directions. Now you come down, take a couple buy contracts, come up, take a couple targets, maybe get into a couple shorts, take those, down even buy contracts, come up, get a couple targets, and you're back to the long bias again. Up here, and you switch it up again. I'm going to close that out, take my profits, switch it to the long bias. Let it come up, come back down, grab some long contracts. Guys, we can literally just do that all day long with this. And that is what we will start doing because that is so simple. We can handle that, right? There's another $120 something here. I think we can handle that. You can handle that, right, Joe? I mean, you guys follow rules, so we have to look at being two-way trading here. Yeah. Let me get my epic pen out. Here, squeeze this up. We don't even need to see the chart. We don't need to see the candles. We have zones. They work. Right? We have zones. They work. Let's start at like back here where it's just right before the open. So what were we first saying off the open? We were up. We should have just stayed in a long trend. I mean, look how accurate this is on a daily basis. What if you only did shorts or longs when this is up When it switches back and forth, you did two-way trading. Switches back up, you only take the longs in this area. Only take the longs. It starts to go neutral. You do two-way trading here. Switches back to up. You're only taking the longs through here. We could just do this all day long. Neutral. Well, you don't know it until probably here that you're going to be neutral or probably here, but that's fine. You still get that. And then now we're back. You're back to the longs here. Guys, this is all we have to do. And then you wait for price to get to a zone if you want to be really comfortable. This is what I'll do in the morning. I mean, look how accurate this is. Tell me how you can mess up. Let's do a different day. How about that? Let's try another day. Let's try yesterday. There's no way it would have worked yesterday. No way. There's no way it would have worked yesterday. Let's go back here. Let's replay the tape. No way this would have worked. I'll go back to maybe 8 o'clock. We'll start somewhere around the open. I'm only taking longs here. I don't know if this will work. Let's see. Money line's green and up. I'm only going to take longs. Would it have scaled into some contracts here on the long side? Yes or no? You'd probably get a few. Comes up, takes profit, comes back, scales into some longs. Got more longs hitting there. And then all of a sudden you see right here where the money line's changing. You're like, oh, okay. Maybe you take it neutral for a little bit. Or you wait for it to turn over. That only had one change though. I usually like it when it changes red, green, white, back to back. Okay, then it rolls over. Starting right here, you take shorts. Then it turns green. You take longs. Then it turns red. You take the shorts. The short bias. Green. You take the longs. Now, obviously, yesterday we had field day with the shorts, but if you just followed the money line, now you got the shorts here. Heck, maybe you even stayed in it, and it kept up getting short contracts, short and short and short, and kept giving you more short contracts. Probably neutral, maybe even waiting on that. Then you're short. That would have been beautiful. Comes up, grabs some short contracts, goes down, takes profits, back up, grabs short contracts, profits, up, short contracts, profits. These are scenarios when you get the steep moves in the money line. That's when you want to get that core position in. When it turns over slow like back here, don't worry about the core position. That we'll talk about on another day. Turns back up, green here. Then you're long the rest of the afternoon. It just pushes up, wait for it to push up, turn it on, come down, grab some contracts, comes back, takes profits, comes down, grab contracts, up, takes profits, boop, 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 boop. Let's just see if that would have worked. Let's see if that would have worked on a different day. Here is the day before. No way this could work. There's no way. No way this could work. Down. Short. Huh. I think that probably would have racked up quite a few contracts on the short side. That's profits all the way up and down on that one. Maybe you take the long here. Oh well, it doesn't do anything. Comes back down and grabs you long contracts. Comes up, takes a bunch of profits. Then you wait for the money line to give you a little separation. You take the longs again. Down contracts, profits. Down contracts, profits. Down contracts, profits. Reset it after it runs out of your grid. Down contracts, profits. Down contracts, profits. Shorts here. Comes up, grabs some contracts, back down, profits. Longs here. Okay. Comes down, grabs contracts, profits on the way up. Contracts, profits, contracts, profits. Back down. Probably only had a chance to turn it on here. Grab a couple contracts. And then maybe you tried later, but that's too late today. That's past 1600, so we're not going to touch that. look here. The end of this day starts changing red, green, green, white, green, white. Then you say, okay, we're neutral. Green, white, red, white, green, white. Okay, we're neutral. Boom. I don't know how you would mess this one up at all. This would just be silly. This would be hard to mess up. Follow the yellow brick road. There you guys go. We can follow that, right? I'm gonna do this with a lower tick space right now, since we're in a smaller range. I'm gonna do 25 tick space on this, and start with the long buys again. Still, grab a couple more contracts. We can follow that, right, guys? Tom, you could do that, right? Just follow the money line. Momentum. You're so cute, Grace. You're so cute. We can do it. All right, it's 2:30. Where's D Nice's 2:30 trade at? I don't think we're gonna. What'd you say?
You conjured me.
Conjured you. He just jumped.
Just don't say it 3 times because I don't know what will happen.
Yeah, explode.
Anyway, I'm long on the ES.
I say it 3 times, you end up magically sitting right next to me. You're like sitting in my lap.
That'd be funny.
Beetlejuice sitting in my lap. You're like, hi, I'm on camera now. All right, let's see what's funny out there. Are you guys? Is it all right? So Tom, are you playing around with the tick sentry right now? Joe, are you? This is a good time to do it. Very slow, easy moving. We know we're going to be range bound for a while here. Oh, there was something out of the blue there. $144. Okay, you guys are following along with me, right? Oh, where's my joke? I had a good joke. There's 3 good jokes I have. I just can't tell 2 of them in here. I can send. You should see the group chat I have with PBR, Lulu, Paul, and one other person.
Hey, what's been going on with Lulu? Is she just busy right now?
It's one of her. I don't know. She gets in these phases where there's just a bunch of stuff going on.
Oh, okay. I thought she quit her job, but I guess maybe there's some leftover stuff.
Doctor's appointment, something else.
Gotcha.
She had,
Okay. And she has kids too, so that's
and the kid, yeah.
lots of stuff happening. I wish this thing would just bust up and just soar.
Here's a good one. Megan will get a hit from this one. What do you call a fake noodle? An impasta.
Oh, an impasta. Oh, God. That's cute.
It's right up Megan's alley.
She's clean. She likes the clean stuff. I get it. That's when she can tell the kids. Oh, look, she just said, I'm going to tell the kids.
That's good. Did you hear about the cheese factory that exploded?
What?
There's nothing left but debris.
Oh, you're so cute.
Well, I can't tell my bad jokes. I have to stick it to the light ones.
Yeah.
Nothing left but debris.
Yeah. You have to tell bad dad jokes, which is good.
Yeah. My hands are tied to dad jokes. I'll send you one of my good jokes. D nice.
Okay. I can take it. Man, this market is creepy crawling, but I'm long. I mean, not short, long.
I'm on mute. I was on mute. Creepy crawling, huh?
Well, the yes, it's creepy crawling.
Everything's creepy crawling. I'm okay with it.
I'm just holding this long on the
On the
ES.
ES?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Here.
I know. You're saying, where did you get in?
Yes, that's exactly what I'm saying.
So I got in back here at 79.25.
All
Where
right.
the double bottom happened, and then it crossed over the HMA.
Yeah, that's not bad. Not bad. Gotta tell you though, I'm gonna try to let the M&Q here pick up a couple of these contracts and push up, and then we'll probably call it a day at that point. I'm
Yeah.
tempted to call it a day now, people.
Yeah, I mean, this is just kind of like smoking hopium now, like you say. You know that we're going to get some big move.
Yeah, I don't think so. Chuck Norris can slam a revolving door. The flu gets a Chuck Norris shot every year. I heard the Onions one. Explosions run from Chuck Norris. That's funny. The dinosaurs. Dinosaurs were extinct because Chuck Norris got mad at them once. All right, Tom. Hey, Tom, practice the when you get a chance, practice uh, the stick century stuff. I'm gonna try to let this run up, grab a couple contracts, and then I'm gonna call it a day. Sent you an email. See if it's what you need while letting TS make money both ways. Oh, okay, let's take a look at it. Sweet.
Do you have a bird?
Yeah, I acquired one. Did, I love it. Thank you, Megan. Love it. that to Paul, and Paul. I'm forward it to Tom. Who's doing the marketing for the thing for us. It's awesome. I just love it. That's so great. Love it. Thank you guys. Thank you. Michael, are you listening? Michael, you're supposed to get me some stuff, man. Oh, Megan, you never did send me your statistics. Well, let's push up and give us a little money. This is so slow. It's almost like I want to just.
Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna call it. I'm not. I'm just sitting here kind of.
The only thing I'm waiting on is for this to take a couple profit targets, and then I'm
Yeah,
gonna
that's true. I'm in the same exact position you are.
screen hide it.
I'm 3 long
Yeah,
and at minus 20 right now. So
I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait until it takes a target, and then I'll sit here and baloney around with you guys until we do that. And then we'll shut it. Oh, by the way, I'm closing down the premiere room today. We got to clean out the garbage. It's, we have to reset the rooms from time to time, or else they get backed up with the. Speaking of, I'm going to check another room that we have. Somebody messaged me.
okay, come on, keep going up and give me a target so I can finish.
What?
Oh, come on.
What?
Almost. No, I'm waiting for the same thing you are. I want
How
some
close are
profit
you?
targets. Minus 11 ticks to get one target off. I'm
We're the exact same fill price.
pretty much, yep. Which is so weird on Tick Century because that's,
That's almost impossible.
yeah. It's kind of strange, but it just came up and almost touched it. Come on. I mean, I'm in profit on the whole thing, but just wanted it to take a couple of the.
We'll get it. We'll get it eventually.
Yeah, I'm just gonna let it go because I'm in profit, so I'm not gonna worry about it. Even if it comes down and retraces and grabs more, I'm fine with it.
I'm just I'm the only thing I'm weary about that with Joe is I got sidetracked watching these shorts. that for you. Oh, I'll be right back. Got to. So, Joe, the problem with the problem with that I'm almost out. Actually, you know what? I actually, maybe give it 3 exactly.
You're cutting out, Coach B.
It's Uncle B to you.
There you go.
Uncle B to you.
Uncle B, cutting out, Uncle B. Okay, I'm still holding those same 3 contracts on the
Yeah.
MNQ. Oops, now it's 4.
Now it's 4.
All right, it's fine.
Maybe I'll give it till 3. Maybe we give it till 3.
Yeah, that sounds good. There we go. Getting some profit targets taken off here. Good, good, good. We're in the money now, people. All right, 2 more profit targets and I'm done with this for the day. Coach B abandoned us. Bigger name on another line, no doubt. Anybody still with us besides me? Joe and Megan, yay, I see you typing. Cool. Are you still in the M and Q both ways? Bigger, yeah, I know. It's funny. There he is. I hear him. Somebody.
Sorry about that, guys. Uh, so,
Yeah.
Liberty Trading Club is not a financial advisor. Everything you see here is for learning purposes only. Remember, trading involves risk, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. So always do your own research and trade wisely.